Derek, Ava's dad.
Hi, I'm Ava, Derek's daughter.
And today on Cook It Yourself, we are not cooking. We are going to unveil our pizza oven. It's called a Gozney roccbox and it's a pizza oven. And we thought we'd give our review of unpacking it. It came with a free turning peel, which we'll open in a bit. But first of all, let's open the box. Packed really well by the looks of it.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yep. Oh, get that. Yeah.
Not that way.
Oh.
Is
The stove, right?
a stove.
The stove.
It's not a stove.
Oh.
That is a pizza loader. I've got a tape measure so we can measure it. Put that on the side there, Aves. That's 30 centimetres, so you can make a 12-inch pizza on that. Seems good quality, that, doesn't it, Aves? Have a feel of that. Seems quite good, that does. Ooh, bottle opener, I'm having that.
Oh.
The pizza oven has two elements. It's got the gas side of it, so you can heat it up with gas, or you can heat it up with wood, and this
It's the wood burner.
is the wood burner. It is, yeah, you put the wood in there. Drop the wood into there. I'm presuming it's very small pieces of wood that you put into there, and then the heat comes out the top into the oven, and that's what heats the oven up. That's quite solid, that, isn't it? Feel the weight of that. That's no Mickey Mouse burner, that. And what we got there, that's the gas.
Gas one.
The gas burner.
It's clip-on gas.
Oh, it's a clip-on. Yeah, it is. You're right, Aves. Well done. So that will go into the back of the box, same way that the wood burner would. Okay, so
Oh, and here's the beauty itself.
it's automatic as well, Aves. Look, that sparks.
Oh.
So when you get that connected to your gas canister, then you turn it on, it should ignite itself. That's cool. That's, again, not quite as solid as that one, but still good quality by the looks of it.
It's rubber.
You can see why it's expensive. It's
It's
good.
rubber.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that is
Shocking.
a bit shocking, that, isn't it? You think
Wouldn't
it'd be,
it burn?
you think that'd be metal, but it's not. So let's get this out.
I'll move the box out the way.
You get the box out of the way, Aves. Oh, there's some weight in that. Oh, and there's the instructions.
Oh, yep. Maybe it comes with 2 languages, I don't know.
It might come in different languages, you never know. Yep. Un management et respecte ses instructions pour ingrédients en You read it?
No.
That is one solid piece of kit. Let's have a look at the
Inside.
inside.
Bit dusty.
The stone's fixed. No loose stone to fall out when you're moving it, which is good. All right, okay. Yeah, well, they're a bit stiff. And then they go again. Ugh. Okay. Super stiff leg.
Yeah.
Does that come out? They come out.
Yeah, it does. I think so anyway.
That's what you have an instruction manual for.
True, yeah, but the wife reads the instruction manual. But no, they should just, I'm presuming they should just come out.
Roccbox.
Oof, they're super stiff. Right,
Don't break your keys.
I'm not going to break my key. I'm just going to see whether I can. There we go. Right, so you get the key, put it in. So let's.
There's a hole.
Yep, that's where the burner goes. We're going to do the gas one first. Now, I've not read the instructions. I'm a naughty person, not read the instructions. But I'm presuming that just goes in there.
It looks like it does.
There we go. And then you've got some ties which need cutting. Have we got any scissors? Pass the scissors behind you, Aves.
Lift. Oh.
Try not to cut the pipe.
Don't make it set fire to the carpet.
I'm not going to make it set fire to the carpet.
That's massive.
massive. I think it's quite a tiny little, a dinky little thing, but it's got a heat. You can feel just the weight of it. There's some serious weight in this, and I can't believe that this is it's like a rubber coating, isn't it, Ace? This is the turning peel. We got this free with it, a turning peel. I don't know how long the offer's going to last, but these are supposed to be £50. Good quality. Bit tiny. We're going to do a full series. We've got this now. We're going to get some gas, get it all set up. We're going to make some dough using the PIzzApp. We found an app online. It's called PIzzApp Plus. I think it's a plus. And it tells you how to make your dough, how much dough you need, how much flour you need for, say you wanted 3 dough balls at 240 grams a dough ball. It'll tell you exactly how much how much flour you need, how much water you need, sort of stuff. So it looks really interesting. So we're going to test out the PIzzApp in part 2, and we're going to make some dough, aren't we, Aves? Part 3, we're going to stretch the dough. So I'm going to get Ava to ball the dough up. She's going to try it and do one herself. We're going to stretch the dough ourselves, and then we're going to top it, put all our toppings on. So this is part 1 over. We've just unboxed it. Overall, I think this is, yeah, it's good. It's certainly really good quality. You're paying for it. It's not cheap. But the proof is in the pudding on how well we can, how easy we can make pizzas that look as good as the guys that do it professionally. And if we can get them half as good as what they do, then I'll be well happy. And if you can get them half as good as that, then obviously it's a lot easier. So this is me, Derek, and this is
me, Ava.
Out for now, and we'll see you in part 2 when we start making some lovely pizzas.